Namaste. Welcome to the Vishwa Yoga Prarthana. Let us all come together. Sahana bhavatu, sahano bhunaktu, sahaviryam karvavahai, tejasvinavadhitamastu, ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Thank you for joining me again for today's session. And yes, your joining me means a lot to me. I had an amazing email from a very dear, sincere, dedicated yoga sadhaka who gets up at 4 a.m. to be with me. That means a lot. And who also said that, felt that they needed to give back something and had an opportunity to give back also financially through the Yoga Saptaham, Yoga Sutra Saptaham. Every drop counts. Each one of you being with me means a lot. So thank you for being with me. Let's go into the summary. Let yourself go on a beautiful inner journey. A journey that is looking at yourself, remembering not to identify, not condemn, and not justify. To be able to witness oneself without identification, condemnation, or justification. Enabling a beautiful sense of swadhyaya, going through a journey of knowing yourself. Man, now know thyself, as is said. One of the greatest qualities of being human is the ability for self-reflection. Self-reflection is the foundation on which the spiritual life can be built. The capacity for self-reflection, to be able to look at oneself, to be able to question oneself, to be able to face one's own self is so vital if we are to grow as a human being. When we start to realize who we are impacts what we are, impacts what we do, and it impacts those around us. We start to take responsibility for ourselves. We manifest our swadharma, the self-responsibility, fulfilling the purpose for which we are on this plane of existence. When we live our dharma, we fulfill ourselves. A sense of responsibility, the ability to respond, which comes from a higher perspective, a perspective that comes from our Vijnanamaya Kosha, the wisdom sheath, that discerning metacognitive aspect of our existence. A capacity to take a hard look at one's own self, to take a look at our own thoughts, words, and actions, to look at our prejudices and question whether our perspective is the real perspective or whether it is warped by the Panchakleshas, the distorters of our perspective. Is our perspective a pure one, an uncolored one, or is it colored with the prejudices born of ignorance, egoism, likes and dislikes, and the survival instinct? It is only when we question ourselves that we can be true to ourselves. It is only when we look at ourselves, face ourselves, that we can bring about the changes we need to manifest for us to go further on that journey of self-awareness, self-actualization, and self-realization. Evolving into the best we that we can be in the present circumstances. Begin to move your fingers and rub your palms together, placing the warm pranic poultice over your eyes, your forehead, and your head. It's been amazing over the last 44 days to witness the inner journey that can manifest when we actually take time for ourselves. So important to take time for ourselves, not in an egotistical way, but as self-care. Because if you do not care for the self, how can you care for anybody else? If you are not happy, healthy, if you are not strong, how can you help anybody else? So important. The Sankalpa, with all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. Let us express Mudita Punya, cheering on the great human beings, the great souls who are doing their best. Each and every one on this planet who's doing their best, manifesting what they can manifest to help those around them. Everyone who is part of a transformative process for humanity. Everyone who is doing their best, however small or great. Everyone who's contributing towards a fight back, a grand fight back that humanity is bringing out. A fight back not only against the COVID-19, which is a catalyst, but a fight back against negative habits, negative tendencies that have overcome us as a race. Hoping for changes to occur, both individually as well as socially and globally. And everyone who is doing the best for that, let's express our cheer for them, our support for them, our gratitude for them. And we thank them from our heart for being noble human beings. We need to be the cheerleaders of humanity. When we cheer those who are doing their best, they will be empowered to do better. And through that, we are cheering ourselves on at the same time. Mudita punya. Be cheerful towards those who are noble, or at least trying to be noble. Each one of us can only try, right? And then what manifests is the blessing. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Thank you very much for your time with me. It means a lot. Let us all be the best we that we can be. Be blessed wherever you are.